Alright guys, so I've got a space here on my racking for a car, and lo and behold, won't come today. So what do you reckon it is? Well, you probably know it by now, but let's get it open. Yep, so it's a TRX-4, but it's of course the G-Wagon. I remember the first time I went to Wireless Models to pick up these two bad boys, and I seen this in the display cabinet. I was like, man, that looks so sweet. It's the only time I'm ever going to afford a Mercedes, so I thought I'd get one. Let's open it up. That blue, mate. Proper sexy last little truck. So guys, G-Wagon, unfortunately it's broken coming out the box. The front, I don't know what's happened, but both bonnet lights were ripped off. So, nice looking rig. Can't wait to get it out. So, as you can see guys, it's a gorgeous looking truck. I mean, I'm a bit disappointed with it coming. These broke off as well. These were basically broke off as soon as I touched them. So, both sides. I can only put it down to FedEx throwing it around like there's no tomorrow. But it's a gorgeous looking little rig. On camera it doesn't do it justice, just how nice it is. So let's get the body off and get the electronics, get the batteries in it, make sure everything works. So one thing I'm going to do is I've got to cut a little notch out of here because the wires and the lipos. So you just got to cut a little notch out of there, so I'll do. So there you go, just take a little section out and then batteries fit in nicely. So I'll be using these Traxxas to XT90 converters. Don't want to cut the connections off with it being a new truck, just in case, you know, something goes wrong with the electrics. You never know with Traxxas. Like, I mean, these VXL5 speed controllers, that's naturally aspirated ESC, seem alright myself. I've never had a problem with them. So let's bring it on, car on, steering, throttle, low gear, high gear, diffs locked, front and rear, all good. There you go guys, quick unboxing of the Traxxas TRX-4 Mercedes G-Wagon. Thanks for tuning in.